Hi, I'm Colin. I work with the Russ Darrow Group. I gotta tell you, I think they got it right. Their strongest trait is you. Your health and well being is our core fundamental of this company. The Russ Darrow Group is sensitive to the needs of its employees. We are now facing school and daycare closing around here. Family is first, and if time is needed off, well, like I said, family is first. And we can do anything we can do to help you. To further this, we are following the guidance of the Wisconsin Department of Health Services and the CDC. First things first, we're still open. If there's any changes, it'll be posted up on our webpage. Or just give us a call for the listing of our store hours. For now, let's talk about some of the safety features our cars have to offer. Whether you're here buying a new car or you're here for service, we are here to focus on you. As far as our safety you're getting with these, let me go over a few things you'll come to love with each drive.
Active lane deviation. There's a camera mounted right up here in your windshield. This is calibrated and programmed to your vehicle. And what it does is it'll keep an eye on the painted lines on the road in front of you as you're driving. If you happen to drift out of those lines or even close to those lines, the car will automatically pull you back in. You'll get a little bit of feedback in the steering wheel. It might take you a moment or two to get used to this and get comfortable with it, but after a while, it is amazing. You will love it and you will notice it on a lot of your drives. Now, another feature that this camera here offers is your front collision avoidance system. If you're distracted for whatever the reason might be, as you're driving down the road, a dog jumps out in front of you. You don't see it in time. The camera will see it, it will identify it, and if necessary, it will apply the brakes and take your car to a stop to avoid that collision. This is a feature that hopefully you never need to use, never notices there, but it is a wonderful addition to the safety of these Kias. Kia also offers a smart cruise control. And the way that this works, in the front of your car someplace is actual radar. This radar will sense the cars in front of you. If you set your cruise at say 60 miles an hour, you come up on a car doing 42, the smart cruise control will see that car in front of you and actually slow your vehicle down to a safe following distance. Now, this distance you can also adjust. So if you want to be a little bit further away, it's just a couple presses of a button, pops up on your cluster, and there you are. You can set your distance that you're going to follow them. Now this car here finally starts to speed up, take off. Your smart cruise control will ramp you right back up to that speed that you had it preset at. Your blind spot detection system consists of two radars, one on this side of the rear bumper and one on the other side. It will also have a light in each one of your side view mirrors. Now the way this system operates is this radar here is calibrated to keep an eye on, of all things, your blind spot. So if there's a car right there, you will notice an amber light in your side view mirror. If you decide to switch lanes and get too close to that car, it's going to beep and let you know. If you have your blinker on, it's going to ignore the fact that there's a car there and assume that you actually looked in the mirror with the light on. Again, another nice feature, just a little extra safety to ensure that you don't get in a crash. Our service department is also here for your well-being and that of anybody else in your vehicle. One of the biggest things that we do to help is with our multi-point inspection sheet here. This is free with any service in our department, and we'll go over this with you usually during your service here, so if there's anything that needs to be addressed to your vehicle, we can take care of it in a timely fashion. Your health and well-being are at the core of what we do here. After all, we're here for you guys. Make sure you check out our website, www.russdarrow.com. Especially for sales, this is a really, really good website. We have a lot of interior, exterior pictures of our vehicles, a lot of detailed information on there. The search functions are easy to use. Now don't be alarmed, but you might get a pop-up when you go there. All that is one of our guys reaching out to you, asking if there's a way that they can help you while you're navigating our website. And you can also set up service appointments on there. And we're starting a new thing here. We will actually come out to you, pick up your vehicle for service, bring it all the way back here, complete the service, and return it to you. This should really help decrease the possible spread of this infection and keep our pandemic down and the timeline hopefully really short so we can get back to our normal lives. So that being said, stay safe and stay healthy out there. We look forward to seeing you soon.